Hello, and welcome to the public participation presentation for the Jaguar Land Rover dealership building in the town of Davie, located at 4645 Volunteer Road, West Broward, Florida, 33330. This presentation was developed by Spring Engineering, Inc., located at 3014 U.S. Highway 19, Holiday, Florida, 34691. The office phone number is 727-938-1516. The corporate email address is sei@springengineeringinc.com. The website address is www.springengineeringinc.com. This information is displayed on this slide. Motor Cars Management, LLC owns the property located at 4645 Volunteer Road in Davie, Florida. This project comprises a 6.19-acre site that is currently zoned B3 with a future land use commercial designation. Immediately north and adjacent to the site is a 21,000 square foot existing Lamborghini dealership. Currently, the parcel does not contain any structures and is used as inventory parking for the Porsche dealership, which is immediately north of the Lamborghini dealership, as depicted on this slide. The owner of the project is proposing a single-story luxury Jaguar Land Rover dealership with 2 levels of inventory parking storage above, for a total building size of 171,000 square feet. This project was originally designed as a 279,000 square foot 4-story structure, but was reduced in size and height to minimize the impact to the neighboring residential development of Chelsea of Ivanhoe. The building will be provided with a fully automatic fire sprinkler system and will contain a 12-car showroom with 24 service bays in the workshop. The upper 2 stories will comprise mostly of inventory parking with additional employee parking as needed. All display and customer parking will occur on grade. Handicap accessible parking spaces are provided as required by code. Electric vehicle charging stations will be provided as promoted by Jaguar Land Rover brand to exceed the requirements of the town. The site has been professionally designed to include a variety of native plant species to be maintained by an automatic irrigation sprinkler system. The entire east wall will be covered in a vegetative screening, which will be better conveyed in the later slides. The Jaguar Land Rover facility branding requires very high-end finishes on both the building interior as well as exterior. Corrugated metal siding is used to clad the north and west facades of the workshop. The south facade and remaining west facade is clad in a very high-end and nicely finished aluminum composite material known as ACM. 12-foot-high frameless glazing offers views into the luxury showroom on these 2 facades as well. Along the entire length of the east facade that faces the residential development of Chelsea of Ivanhoe, the owner is providing a variety of vegetative screening materials to enhance the views from across the pond. This slide is an artist rendering of the west facade as viewed from the exit ramp, traveling north from Interstate 75, conveying the use of high-end materials, metals, panel cladding, and full-height glazing at the showroom. This slide is an artist rendering of the east facade as viewed from across the pond at the residential development of Chelsea of Ivanhoe, to convey the use of the vegetative screening along the length of the wall. The following is an artist rendering, animated from the west facade, moving around the south and finally to the east, arriving across the pond to depict the view as seen from the neighboring residential development of Chelsea of Ivanhoe. Let it be noted that a good portion of the proposed landscaping had to be removed for the artist renderings and the animation as to not conceal the building. This presentation was developed by Spring Engineering, Inc., located at 3014 U.S. Highway 19, Holiday, Florida, 34691. The office number is 727-938-1516. The corporate email address is sei@springengineeringinc.com. The website address is www.springengineeringinc.com. This information is displayed on this slide. Please contact the town of Davie or Spring Engineering directly if you have any comments or questions. Thank you.